Welcome back to another episode of Oliver. I'm Wisco Wes. I hope you enjoy. If you didn't know already, my favorite sport is basketball. I'm not the best at it, but it still is my favorite sport. If you don't know how to play basketball, I can teach you really quick. So you have the 3-point line, the half-court line, and the free throw line. Anything scored in this area is worth 2 points, and anything scored in this area is worth 3. Then obviously you have the bucket, which the ball has to go through for it to count as a point. So basically each team has 5 players on the court at one time. When you're on offense, you can either pass the ball or shoot the ball. And on defense, you try to steal the ball from the offense so you can score points. So there you go, a summary of basketball in 40 seconds, for those of you who didn't know. So this first story takes place during practice for school basketball. I'm not going to use their real names, so on my team, I had Colin and John. Shout out to Colin and John, by the way, if you know who you are. So you got Colin, who's the starting point guard for our team, and John, who's about the same skill level as me. And Colin's also, really good at shooting 3-pointers. And then there was the other main team, who consists of these 3 players. Again, I'm not going to use their real names, so Noble, Brett, and Oscar. Noble is the tallest guy on our team, and he's really good at getting blocks and is excellent at layups. So then you got Brett, who is also a starter and is about the same height as me. And finally, you got Oscar. Oscar is excellent at mid-range shots, and he's really good at driving to the basket to score a layup. He's like Loki from Avengers, where he just walks right through you, and then he scores. There's a lot of kids on my team, so it would take a long time if I were to tell you about all of them. So we shot the 3-point round. Colin obviously did really good. John made most of his shots, but I did really bad that round. Then we did the 2-point round. Colin and John did really good that round, but for some reason I couldn't make any of my shots. So we ended up getting last place for that round, which means we had to do star jumps. And these weren't ordinary star jumps. These were special ones. What you had to do was you had to jump into the air in front of everybody and yell, "I'm a star." So we embarrassingly did the star jumps in front of everybody, and that's pretty much the end of that story. So pretty much you're doing this while yelling, "I'm a star." This is a story that took place during one of my basketball games. Our team was up by maybe 15 points. So the coach took out the starters and put in the people who get less playing time. The game resumed and we started playing like normal. One play, we passed it to Jacob. He shot a 3-pointer and made it, and everybody went crazy. The very next play, we passed it to Jacob again. He shot another 3-pointer and made that one as well. So that's the end of that story. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, and thank you for watching.